सो अलिकति मेरो बारेमा चाहिँ सञ्जनाजीले भनि पनि हाल्नुभयो सँगसँगै म पनि अलिकति भनिहाल्नु आफ्नै बारेमा पनि मेरो नाम नस्ला जोशी म वुमेन लिडर्स इन टेक्नोलोजी भन्ने संस्था यो कम्युनिटीको को-फाउन्डर एन्ड एक्जिक्युटिभ डिरेक्टर वुमेन लिडर्स इन टेक्नोलोजी सिन्स 2015 has been working as an organization and as community for young women who are interested to pursue their careers in tech. Our vision is that everyone should have the access and skills to use technology for their own behalf. We mostly work with young women to create various programs and capacity development, advocacy programs and everything so that we can equip all the people who are women and are from marginalized groups in different genders to actually be able to use technology for their purposes. So, as I stand here today, I stand here on behalf of the Women in Data Steering Committee. So, त्यसको बारेमा कुरा गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ सुरुमा Women in Data Steering Committee भन्दा अगाडि Women in Data मात्रै भनेर पनि थियो कुनै टाइममा जुन चाहिँ 2019 मा there was the first Women in Data conference and I guess a lot of you who are here today are very new to what is Women in Data and what is Women in Data conference भनेर पनि and I think it has come to my responsibility that I tell you a little about it. Some of you are students, some of you are skilled professionals, some of you have already been in various Women in Data conferences as well and for many of you I have heard from the organizers that a lot of people who are here on scholarships को behalfमा आउनु भएकोहरु चाहिँ they are here in Kathmandu for the first time पनि and obviously in Women in Data conference also in the first time. So this was my first Women in Data conference back in 2019. And after that conference, I think in that conference we got to meet a lot of new organizations and two of the organizations, there was also Women in STEM and WLIT and Open Knowledge Nepal, जसको चाहिँ आफ्नै identity, existence र logosहरु पनि change भइसक्यो by this point. And this was us in 2020 when we sort of thought, okay, हामी पनि केही गरौँ न त around gender data को केसमा भनेर and at that point almost हामीले सोच्ने भनेदेखि 6 years अगाडि आज भन्दा ठ्याक्क 6 years अगाडि त्यसपछि जुन Women in Data conferenceबाट हामी चिनिएको थियौं today we are here running the steering committee as well and also if you see us in the pictures we're kids. So this has been a learning journey for us as well. So 2019 मा कालोपुलको एउटा च्यापसमा बसेर let's do something around women entrepreneurship and data भनेर त्यहाँबाट सुरु भएको हाम्रो journey भनौं न in some ways. So far कालोपुलमा बसेर कहिले बालबाटारमा बसेर भनौं न बालबाटार भन्नाले चाहिँ Women in STEM को office was बालबाटार त्यहाँ बसेर कुरा गर्यौं and then that conversation as we started brainstorming more and more we realized we needed some advisories भनेर and that's when we knocked the door at Asia Foundation and talked to Pranay Sapit and that's when we got introduced in as okay we want to create a steering committee and it would be three of you and Sequel Foundation and that's where we are going to start this entire conversation with and you're going to be the one who's going to run this entire existence of Women in Data conference and everything भनेर पनि and then our Balwatar became our Panipokhari then our Panipokhari became every Zoom calls and Microsoft Teams meetings or Rupani and that is how we started our journey with a lot of brainstorming, with a lot of a conversation, with a lot of talks about what our strategy, what our goal, what our vision should be भनेर पनि and so in the midst of COVID in 2020, we were responsible of organizing the Women in Data conference and the best we could do at the point was do a virtual conference. And that was the second Women in Data conference. And after working on this for almost 2 years, during the COVID time, during the global lockdown and everything, we realized that we want to increase our own knowledge base as the organizations who are in the steering committee and as well as add new people who can increase our own sort of barriers, sort of challenges, who come from different backgrounds than we do. A lot of us were engineers at the time, and we wanted people who were not engineers, people who were from different age groups, people who were doing different things than what we are doing, and understand their knowledge in terms of gender data, and how can we, as the steering committee, take the lead on making sure that gender data is an agenda not just for women in tech groups, but in all the groups that there needs to be भनेर पनि. And that is when we did our open call for more people in the steering committee. And in July, we got to invite 9 more fantastic, amazing organizations who were doing great things on their own as well. And that is us as the steering committee, which grew from 4 people to almost 12 organizations at one point. And यति धेरैजना मान्छेले के गर्छ होला त यो स्टियरिङ कमिटी भनेर अनि कन्फरेन्स गराउन बाहेक चाहिँ के गर्छ होला त भने इफ यु आर वन्डरिङ भने वी हेभ डन मेनी प्रोग्राम्स इन दिस बिट्विन सो वी हेभ डन जेन्डर डेटाको ट्रेनिङहरू वी हेभ डन एन्टरप्रेन्योरसिप डेटाको ट्रेनिङहरू वी हेभ डन अ लट अफ क्यापेसिटी डेभलपमेन्ट एन्ड वी हेभ अल्सो डन अ लट अफ ह्याकाथन्स. We have collectively published a lot of things that might be toolkits, that might be research papers, and we have also done 2 other conferences like this in just last 2 years as well. And I have personally gotten to meet a lot of amazing, cool people, and some of them are not in this hall right now, in this place right now as time passes by. And with that, I just wanted to give you a brief on what Women in Data Steering Committee is and what we do and what we have done भनेर. And if you're interested in giving any ideas in terms of, okay, me as a stakeholder, these are the things that I want in terms of data, these are the things I want in terms of capacity, these are the things that I want in terms of knowledge, in this conference, what we want to do is invite all of you into that conversation and invite you to give us those suggestions so that we can probably do better. So as I said, since 2019, it has been a learning journey for us. We're kids and we're still growing in some ways. We do not know everything, but we are eager to learn from all our stakeholders, young and old, from any gender, from any background, from any geography in Nepal, what you need and what we can provide for you. And this will also mark us in terms of what kind of direction do we want to go in terms of the rest of the years that we are going to exist as the steering committee. And with that note, I also want to welcome all of you. Thank you everyone for coming, and I hope you have an amazing and fruitful day today. Thank you so much.